morning, students. Today we will study chapter 7 of Entrepreneurship Development and Management. The topic of this unit is Customer Relationship Management, CRM. A customer is a person who buys goods and services from a business, organization, or enterprise. A business depends upon its customers. Therefore, business organization maintain a strong relationship with its customers or clients. Customer relationship management has become more important during the last 2 decades. The definition of customer relationship management: different management gurus have defined CRM in their own ways. Some of the definitions of customer relationship management are as follows. CRM is a business strategy to select and manage the most valuable customer relationship. Second view, CRM is a policy and process of dealing with customers. After definition, what is the need of customer relationship management? Because the customers are called as God for an enterprise, there should be an effective retention and satisfaction of the customers in a business organization. मतलब जो बिजनेस के अंदर कस्टमर एक बार बन गया उसको रिटेन करना, उसको सेटिस्फाई करना, ये गोल होता है किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का. अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड ऑफ CRM, the first need is the growth of business. If the customer grow, the business grow. Number 2, lowering cost of marketing. If the customer grows, the marketing cost also lowers. Number 3, increasing profit of organization. No doubt, if the growth increase, marketing cost decrease, then profit will increase. Number 4, improving customer satisfaction. The customer relationship main motto is to satisfy its customers, and the satisfied customer will grow the business. So number 5 is growth of companies. There are following more reasons which describe the need of CRM. The first one, the cost of selling a product to a new customer is 6 times more as compared to that an existing customer, because we have to make the mind of new customers so that he or she will purchase the product. A disappointed customer will tell 8 to 10 persons, and these 8 to 10 persons will then no doubt will harm the enterprise. Number 3, with an increase of 5% customer retention rate, profit could increase by 85%. अगर हम 5% भी अपने कस्टमर्स को बना कर रख लें तो प्रॉफिट 85% तक बढ़ सकता है. नंबर 4, Rising customer expectations have made CRM a necessity. The customer expectation will increase if they make a faith on your organization, and this is the necessity of CRM to raise the customer expectations. Now the functions of customer relationship management. Number 1, to identify and target best customer. Number 2, to maintain personalized relationship with customers. And number 3, to provide the highest level of service between company and its customers. Now, what are the advantages of customer relationship management? The necessity of CRM will give the advantages. Number 1, growth in number of customers, which ultimately results into growth of business. Number 2, increased customer satisfaction level because they are getting exactly what they want. Number 3, long-term profitability and sustainability will rise when the customers are satisfied, and this is the advantage of customer relationship management. If the management is good, then the profitability and sustainability will increase. Then what are the types of CRM? Customer relationship management is a methodology that helps an enterprise manage customer relationships in an organized and efficient manner. There are 3 types of applications of CRM. Number 1, operational CRM. Number 2, analytical CRM. And number 3 is collaborative CRM. Stages of a CRM strategy. Number 1, interacting. A customer relationship management has to interact each and every customer so that their expectations can be find out. Then analyzing. After getting the data, we have to analyze the customer's expectations. Number 3 is the learning. After analyzing, we can find out, we can learn what the customers want. And number 4, according to their requirement, expectations, we have to plan accordingly. Then what are the different types of customers? The customer is on the center stage today. An organization's success depends upon the number of customers, their purchasing power, and their satisfaction level. Customers generate profit for the organization. We have to remember that number of customer increase, the profit will increase. Then the customers can be loyal customers, discount customers, impulsive customers, need-based customers, and wandering customers. Loyal customers are the customers which are loyal to any organization. They will have blind faith on the organization. Discount customers are the customers who need some discount on a product. Impulsive customers are the customers which are forcefully or impulsively carried toward the product. Need-based customers are the customers which arise due to their need arises. And wandering customers are the customers which occasionally come to the buying of product. So in this way, we conclude customer relationship, customers management, the types of customers, types of CRM, advantages of CRM, need of CRM, and application of CRM. Last, we can say that customers are the god for the organization, and customer relationship management has the role to satisfy each and every customers. Thank you.